Hi everyone, I'm Nikola, Primerica, Customer Success Manager at Samp. I have an engineering degree in industry and robotics, where I studied how to implement the latest technologies into the industry, and this is kind of what Samp does. What inspired me to join Samp is first, its amazing team, smart and funny people, and then it's the meaningful mission we have at Samp, which is to solve an industry problem using AI and 3D. As the Customer Success Manager at Samp, I ensure our customers get the most out of our software by understanding their needs, onboarding them on our platform, and provide tutorials and documentation to guarantee the best user experience. What I love the most is the diversity of profiles I'm working with, that be tech or business people, and the various activities involved, meaning I'm never bored. If I could have any superpower, it would be to instantly understand and speak any language. Did you know that there is more than 1,700 languages in the world? So just imagine the number of clients I could speak with in their preferred language.